Hey, good morning. It's Friday. We've got 8 orders going out from yesterday on Thursday. So this video is going to be what sold on eBay. Good morning, guys. We've got 8 orders to get out today, so we're going to go ahead and get started. The first item is a Pioneer binder. It's magnetic, and I'm looking on the computer right now because I'm trying to figure out what location it's in. So you guys are getting a view of the back of the store. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for tuning in and checking out the channel. If you can give this a like or subscribe to the channel, I would love it and appreciate every single one of those that come in. So let's go ahead and get started. This is in BS2B3. It's right here. And like I said, it's a photo album. It's fast stick pages. It's magnetic. I'm not 100% sure what that means. But this item sold for $10.99 and the buyer paid shipping. So, excuse me. So not a bad little deal there. I'm pretty sure I paid $1 for that at a local thrift store. So when you can get deals like that and flip them for a little bit of money, it's not bad at all. This next item here is a book. It's in BS1E2. I see it right there. This is a first edition, first printing paperback. You've probably heard of it before. It's called Carrie, and it's by Stephen King. So first edition, first printing, and it's a paperback, and that book sold for $39.99. So it sat for a while, guys. It was about 6 months for that to sell, but we held out on the price, and we were pretty certain we were going to get around that. We did have best offer, but they paid full price, and on we go. BS2D5 has Love Letters DVD. I believe this is a new DVD, so it's either that one or that one. Yep, it's a new DVD. DVDs sell. They've been selling really well with the stuff going on right now. This sold for $9.77 with free shipping. It's going to cost $2.80 to ship that out. Here's an item that sold that I really didn't think was ever going to sell. It's in box 1. I'm not even sure why I listed it. I'm sure you guys have items out there like that where you list it just because you have it and you're trying to make a little something, but this is Battleship. It's like extra pieces, which isn't the weird part. The weird part is it's the 1978 and 1990 setup. So like the stickers are from 1990, but the pieces are all from 1978. So it's kind of a hodgepodge, but it sold for $9.99. and the buyer paid shipping. So not 100% sure why that sold. I'm not even sure where I got it. I think it probably came in a bulk buy of games, and that's probably, it was probably no more than, I can't even imagine I paid really any more than like 20 cents for it or something. Next up is a really cool handheld game. This is a Radhika sports bass fishing handheld game, and it's like a little fishing rod. And the message from the buyer was that he wants to teach his daughter how to reel, to teach her how to fish, but he wants to teach her how to reel. And it's kind of hard to do one-handed, but this does have like a reel that you can fish with. So it's electronic, you know, you cast it out and you do all that. So it's really cool. I was really excited to see that. I love to fish. That sold for $10 plus shipping. We paid 99 cents for it. So not only do we get the joy of helping a kid learn to fish, we made a little money in the process as well. Sold another whiskey glass for $14.99. That box is kind of smashed, so let's pull from here instead. Shaking it, make sure it's not broke because it is glass. It holds a cigar in it. I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Let me turn my camera on to make sure. That's what it looks like. These, well, I thought we only had one sell. No, they bought 3. So the sold price on that was $44.97. And 3 is such an odd number. We've sold 2, we've sold 1, we've sold 4. But 3 is such a weird number. But these we paid less than $1 for, $44.97 for 3 of them, and we get to pack them together. I did do a discount, so if you order one, it's regular price. If you order two, it's 10% off. If you order three, it's 15% off. And if you order four, it's 20% off. And this person took advantage of that, paid $44.97 for those three. Next up, we have, goodness gracious, this is a power cord for a Epson PictureMate. The Epson PictureMate didn't actually work. So I bought it, I tested it, it didn't work, and so I took the power cord. It says it's in tote one. Tote one's always the hardest to find stuff there. It's probably loud and I don't see it, so I'm going to set you guys down for a second and see if I can find it. Alright, there it is. So like I said, I bought an electronic, I tested it, didn't work. The power cord did have power to it and was working fine. We just tested that, and I believe that sold for $10. Let me double check. Actually, it sold for $12. With free shipping, it's going to cost about $4 to ship that out. This was another item that we sold that I was excited because it was a real sweet message that came with it. This is in BS2C5. And it's these wrist guards for skateboarding, rollerblading. It's when you're learning. So the glove goes on your hand, and then if you fall, it's got the hard plastic to protect your wrist. And those I paid less than $1 for. And the message came that the lady was teaching her daughter how to roller skate, and was hoping to get these for $10. We only had them listed for $12 plus ship. So we took the offer of $10, and the little girl's going to learn how to roller skate or rollerblade now. So excited about that, because that's also a, you know, whenever you can help people and at the same time make a little bit of money, it's a win-win for everybody. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I feel like we're missing one. 8, the DVD. So there it is. That's our 8 items today, guys. You know, it's been interesting with what's going on in the world. Our sales have been standard. They haven't exploded in any way. I think it's probably because of our offerings. We have sold a lot of more puzzles and board games and stuff like that. Books have been steady. But the main thing is you need to be listing as much as possible and shipping as fast as possible. That will help your store grow on eBay. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. Again, we love likes and we love subscribers. And thanks so much for watching the video today, guys. Stay safe out there. We'll see you next time.